Welcome guys. In this video I am going to do price prediction of Raka token for 2022. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of Raka token is 240 and price is 0.0022 dollars and market cap of Raka token is $412 million. Fully diluted market cap of Raka token is $1 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Raka is $23 million. And circulating supply of Raka is 181 billion. Maximum supply of Raka is 442 billion and total supply of Raka is 443 billion. Let me please show you some information. After that I will show you charts. All-time high of Raka token was on November 14, 2021, about 2 months ago, and price was 1.1 cents. All-time low of Raka token was on August 20, 2021, about 5 months ago, and price was $0.00024. Currently it is available on these exchanges: Gate.io, OK Exchange, Poloniex, MXC, and if you want to buy this token on Gate.io or Huobi and some other exchanges, just go to in this video's description where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration you have to deposit. After first deposit you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Only condition is that you have to click on these links and register your accounts with these affiliate links, and after first deposit you can claim these bounces. These are tradable bounces. Let me show you website of Raka. This is website of Raka token overview. Here you can see there are some technical information. Radio Kaka is a decentralized organization DAO operated by internet native individuals all over the global who share a single vision of building a brave new virtual world. Raka total supply, Raka on Ethereum, Raka on Binance Smart Chain, and Raka on EOEC. Ordered by Certic, and it is Ethereum based token. And it is best metaverse token, I think so, because of the low price, and it is NFT marketplace as well as. Please visit this website by your own and please do your own research before buying this token. These are some technical information. Let me please show you first chart. This is Raka USDT pair 4-hour chart and it is OK Exchange chart. Currently it is in this descending channel. Currently it is facing resistance to break this $0.0028 price zone. Here you can see price several times touch this upper trend line of this descending channel and bounce back. It is facing hard resistance to break this zone. Once it break this $0.0028 price area, next target is $0.0035. After that $0.0039, and after that beginning of this descending channel, which is $0.0045. This is complete 4-hour chart, and here you can see, and this blue line is acting like a support and resistance. Here you can see several times price touch this line and price bounce back, and maybe price can go down to this zone, and this is 19 cents, $0.0019 price area, and this is at the same area where this support line exists. This is support line $0.0019. Here you can see, and this area is very important to hold. This is very important area to hold. Raka coin must have to hold this area. After that upside rally definitely will begin, but before this it have to break $0.0028 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Candles are candles have to break this EMA ribbon, and this EMA ribbon as the same area where this upper trend line exists. Let me please mark this area. Here you can see. And it is 0.0025. Once it breaks this area, after that next major resistance is at 0.0028, and after that 0.0035. We have to note down these levels, and these are very important levels. For these blue lines are our next coming targets, and this white line is our major support line. And here you can see there is also a support line is at this zone, which is 20.0022 price area. Let me please hide this EMA ribbon, and let me please show you MACD. 4 hour MACD crossover towards downside, but no need to worry because towers are very little and very small. Let me please show you Draka daily chart. In daily chart, it was in this descending wedge, and here it break this descending wedge towards upside, and now it is in a channel. Channel support line is at 0.0024, and channel resistance line is at this area 0.0039, same area which I mentioned before, 0.0038, 0.0039. These areas are very important to break. Once Raka price break this, in that case next target is 0.0044, 0.0057, 0.0068, 0.0078, and 1 cent price area, beginning of this descending wedge. This is a technical target, 1 cent price area. But for this move, we have to wait for this breakout. This breakout is very important. Raka have to close daily candle above $39.0039. After that, Raka will break this. Let me please show you some indicators. EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is at the same level where this blue center line exists, and it is at $34.0034 price area. Once it break this area and close daily candle above this, after that next upside rally will start. Until now, maybe it will move sideways. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you daily MACD. Daily MACD crossover towards upside, and it means price can go up in daily chart. That is a positive sign. And let me please show you some CPR levels, monthly CPR levels for trading. Let me please zoom this chart. These blue lines, these green lines are monthly CPR lines, and these are at same level where this channel exists, where this upper horizontal line exists. Candles must have to break this 45 cent price area, $0.0045 price area. After that, this area will turn into support, and after that, this orange line is our first target, first monthly CPR bullish target, and it is at 0.0058. Second monthly CPR bullish target would be this area, 0.0084. But for these all moves, it have to break this box area, and it is very important to break this box area. Otherwise, maybe price can go down, maybe price can move sideways. Once price break this area 0.0045 and close daily candle above this, in that case price can hit these targets. Note down these targets. and if price break this support area, next support areas is 0.0018 and 0.0011. This is very bearish zone. Note down these zones. This is bearish monthly target and these are bullish monthly CPR targets. Let me please hide this and let me please delete this. And let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Fib levels are very important in our day trading, long term trading, short term trading. That is why I show fib levels in my every video. Let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Please give me some time. Here you can see price is facing resistance to break this zone, which is 0.78 fib level, and it is at 0.0030 dollars price area. Once it break this area and close daily candle above this area, next target is 0.0046 and it is golden pocket 0.61 fib level. After that 0.5, which is 0.0056, and after that 0.38, which is 0.0067. These are fib levels for trading. Note down these levels. And if price rejected from here, price can go down to hit 0.0021, maybe 0.0018. These are our major support levels. Let me please show you Raka weekly chart. In weekly chart, Raka break this major trend line. These blue lines are our targets and horizontal resistances, and these these yellow lines are our support lines. Here you can see Raka price break this trend line. Now Raka can face resistance at this zone, which is 0.0032, this zone. This zone, Raka price can face resistance at this zone. Once Raka close daily candle above 0.0032, next target is 0.0038. After that 0.0057, 0.0074. But for these all moves, it have to break this area and close weekly candle above 0032, $0.0032 price area. And if it fails to break this, major support is at in weekly $0.0016. Let me please show you target for this bull run for Raka. Let me please arrange this. These are weekly fib levels for trading, but I think Raka can easily hit its all-time high again, and our target would be this area. I think this is very realistic target. Raka coin price can hit this zone. $0.02 price area, maybe this area, 1.4 cents price area. These are targets. Maybe price can be in between end of 2022 1.4 cents and 2 cents price area. These are the targets, I think so. These are very realistic targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,280 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or description where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Just register, and after first deposit, you can trade with these bounces. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.